Your gear has places to be, and getting it there without losing track of who has what or what shape it's in is its own job. Logistics management from Cheqroom keeps every leg of that journey connected, from request to return. Here's what that looks like when gear needs to ship. An admin creates a logistics work order for a specific production or event, with the details that matter, things like priority, destination, and transportation method. Then adds the items and kits that need to go out. They open the work order. The assigned team is notified and gets moving, picking, prepping, and packing gear, while generating necessary documentation straight from the asset record, such as the manifest and any required shipping documents, like ATA carnets. Gear is confirmed and packed for dispatch, locking it from being used anywhere else while it's in transit. When gear arrives at its destination, it gets spot-checked against the manifest, confirming everything that's supposed to be there is. Scan milestones stay tied to the record the whole way, so status is visible to everyone who needs it. When the job's done, the receiving team checks items back in. Anything missing or damaged gets flagged and routed straight to maintenance, calibration, or reassignment. The logistics work order closes and the gear returns to available status, ready for what's next. And all of this happens in one system. That's not the end of the story. Every manifest, scan, and condition note stays attached to the record. So the next time gear ships for that production, or anything like it, you're working from history, not memory. Whether it's one case shipping across town or a full touring schedule crossing borders, logistics management from Cheqroom takes your gear further. Get started today and know exactly where your gear is every step of the way.